Hello friends, welcome back. Today I have for you these Matchbook inspired little booklets. These are easy to make and I had a lot of fun making these. So let me show you what these are. Now I have them here in two different ways, like I've changed them up a little bit. Now this one opens up like this and you have your little booklet inside, and it closes shut this way. I've used different kinds of papers, some that I've dyed myself, and a bit of music paper, some botanical sheets, just a mix of everything. Then this other variety is kind of vertical, and you can just see the difference. And this one has this clip on the top and it kind of opens up like this, and you have your booklet here. Of course this doesn't need a clip this like this, but I just added because I thought it went well with the decor of the booklet. Even without the clip it would just sit like that, and obviously not open because it kind of sits behind this flap. But just for decoration purposes I have added the clip, and I think it really looks nice. So I thought we'll make these two pretty booklets together. And for these, what I did is, let's just put these away first. For these, what I did is I used my own digital kit. Of course, all these are available on Etsy. These are different sets. You can just see how pretty the paper is. All the three sets I will link down below in the description box. So to make the two different kinds of booklets, I've already cut my paper to size. Now there's no real measurement needed, but just to let you know what size I've used. This one for the horizontal kind of booklet, you need a slightly smaller paper. This is about 7.5 by 4.5 inches, and for the longer vertical kind of booklet I've almost used the full length of the A4 size paper by 3.5 inches. Now the thing with these kit was, you have this kind of white border, the margin area, so I just cut that off. Otherwise it's the full length. And to make the booklet, we'll just have to fold the paper. So for the folding part I haven't really measured anything. I've just eyeballed it. So you just first give yourself an inch perhaps, and then just overlap your fold by maybe half an inch. Crease it nicely, and there you go. For the vertical one, I've this paper has writing on it, like some kind of a print. So if you don't want the print to be upside down, you can just put the paper with upside down print like this, so the print is moving that way, and then when you fold it, it'll be, you know, the right side up for you on the front. So here again, I'm simply eyeballing it, and I'm just not making any real measurements. And again, when you fold over the top, you just overlap the lower flap like that. So when you close it, it closes like that. Okay, so now coming to the pages for the booklet. I've just readied some pages which are some dyed paper, and I really like how this color has come, and some music paper, just a small bunch. So what we'll do is, okay, first we'll just ink the edges, because then after we have attached the pages, we can still ink it, but it would not be very efficient. So let's just quickly ink it. So we have inked our pages. So now what we can do is we can just take our little booklet and just place it, you know, very close to the crease. And then you just staple them in place. Now what I like to do while stapling is, instead of going the right way up, I just like to reverse it and then staple. That way, you know, the smooth end of, you know, the top of the staple is at the back and the sharp end is at the top, so that when you decorate it, it gets hidden nicely. You can of course do it the right way up and then hide on both the sides. That doesn't really matter. And then for this booklet, we'll just take our papers. Here again I have some dyed pages and some music paper. Again, you just place it close to your crease, and then staple the papers in place like that. So our booklets are ready, and now comes the fun part. Let's get to decorating these. Now for these two, I just used a watercolor paper, butterfly and a dragonfly. I think these are really versatile, and I'm lucky to find those because they are white like this, and because it's made from watercolor paper, they catch color really nicely, and you can ink them, paint them however you like. So I thought I'll just use one of these. I've already inked it, so we can just put that here, and that will hide the staple also. So let's just glue that in place. Like that. And then for the center of the flower, you can use just anything, a button or something. Maybe we'll just use a button. I think I like this one better, kind of goes with the dark line here. So we'll go with this one, and let's just glue that in place. Like that. And then maybe a little lace at the bottom. Like that. And then when we come to this one, what we can do is add a bit of this lace here. Like that. And for all these, the other ones, I've just added a word. You can add a sentiment, a word, a sentence, or anything. I just have this word beautiful cut out and inked already, so we'll just glue that down. Like that. And just as this paper clip that I've used, I have a bunch here with me. Let's see which one goes well with this. Let's just pull a couple out. This one kind of goes with, being the same lace, kind of matching. This one's also nice. The red kind of goes with the red fruit print on the paper, but I think I'll go with this one. So there you go, our two little booklets are ready. So let me know how you found the video, and did you find it useful and easy to do? And do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and to win all the digitals that I've shown you, do consider taking part in my giveaway. And till we meet again, take care. Bye.